This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Alright guys, it is July 26, 2019. This one here I got a call for no AC at some lady's house. I was calling for her father. It sounds like an old Portuguese guy. It might have worked for him before on his heating system, I'm not sure. But going over there now and seeing what's going on with the unit. One that was in there.
The old one.
Alright, so let's put the new one in and then we'll run it. Yeah, we got a new one. Alright, so that's in there, right? I did bend the little ears out so it'll fit in there snug. So you said the unit runs outside but it's not blowing any cold air. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Cooling, it's on 68.
Yeah, it's running.
Alright, well the indoor fan's running. We'll go check the outside unit. Yeah, so it is blowing. Alright, so you put tape on there?
See, I put that blue tape in there so I can see.
So you can see if it's blowing. Yeah, that's a good idea.
There's another one over there the same.
Yeah, right, so the fan is blowing. Let's go check the unit outside. You're gonna need to change it.
There's no cold.
Alright, we'll figure it out. Let's see what's going on with it. That dog okay? He's not gonna get me? That dog's alright?
That dog, he's not gonna reach here. You never get close to him.
He's a big dog, huh?
Don't get close to him.
You better go over there in case that chain breaks. You don't look too happy.
What?
That chain not gonna break? That chain?
No, whatever. Don't worry about the chain. Hey, that's all right. Okay.
Alright, which one is it? Which one? Which one is it?
Oh,
Is it the first? Which one? You're not sure?
I'm not sure. One is for the top, one for the bottom. For the, I call them a satellite. It was not running.
Did you check the fuses down cellar?
Oh, I don't know nothing about.
You don't know nothing. Where's the fuses? Where's the fuses? Inside. Go check a look. Take a look. Sometimes there's a delay on that, you know, like 5-minute time delay on the thermostat. So let's just check the fuses. Make sure the fuses are good. The fuses. No, the breakers. The breakers.
Oh, it's ready.
Yeah, it's probably just off on limit on. It's probably just off on delay. Give it a minute. It should come on. What about this one? You change this filter too?
No, I don't change that one. I forgot.
Well, you're gonna have to. I mean, you gotta change these filters. If not, you're gonna have.
I've been doing it, but not. I just.
Well, you gotta do that. You gotta do that today. If not, you could burn this thing out if you don't have the right filters in there. If it's dirty, you need to. No, it's serious. I'm telling you. I'm trying to save you some money, guy. You gotta keep your filters clean. Let's check the other one. You can get the filters, right? You can get a new filter for that.
But I can go get him.
Yeah, you can, right?
No, my daughter went to the doctor with his brother, my son.
Yeah.
They went to the doctor, and
No, do you want me to go run? You want to pay me to go get them, or you want to get them? The filters.
Go get him if you want.
Oh, that one's not bad. That one's still good there. See it, the filter? That one's okay.
It looks good.
That
right?
one's okay, yeah. 16 by 20 though. But that one looks fine.
So you don't have to go get another one.
No, you don't need it. I'm saying you gotta keep an eye on it though.
I've been doing it, but this time I forgot that one. I changed the other one.
Yeah, the one upstairs needed change. All right, let's see what's going on out there. It's gotta be the bigger unit. It's off. Did you shut that off?
I don't touch nothing.
That was off in there.
Oh, I don't know.
Coil's definitely dirty.
What's the other one? Everyone is good.
That one's on. You got a garden hose back here so I clean this coil?
Forget what?
A garden hose?
Yeah.
I want to hit that coil with a garden hose because it's kind of really dirty. I did clean this one too up low, so give that one a good hose job. I'm going to hit them both while I'm here. We'll check the charge. I'm thinking it's a little low. The way they got that capacitor, it's just floating in the flipping wind there. Put a different strap on there or something. Strap that in. Alright, so I strap that in where it belongs. It should be better. Alright, even with the coil clean, it's still 25 on a subcooling. Superheat's fine. Yeah, I don't know why the breaker was off, but the breaker was off over here. You think somebody might have shut it off?
I don't know nothing.
Now, have you run this since last year? Have you been running the air conditioner since last year?
Yeah, I just run this year, but the fan comes out, but no cold.
No, is this the first time you ran it this year?
Yeah.
This is the first time?
No,
You've been running it for a while.
it's been like that for a while, yeah.
So we're good there with the charge. I did hit it good with the hose. This one's okay now. You want me to check that one while I'm here?
Oh, the both of them.
Yeah, both of them, all right. Turn the hose back on. I'm gonna spray this one down really good. And we'll check it. No Taj Mahal here, mama. Give it a good hosing all the way around. Get that coil clean. If there's any dirt on it, then we'll check it. We'll run it and we'll check it. Alright, we'll go turn this one on and we'll check it. I did hit it good with the hose. Except the basement one. You want to go turn it on or you want me to? You want me to go turn it on?
I didn't even know.
You don't know how to do it. Alright, I'll do it. check this one too while I'm here. He don't even know how to turn on the air conditioning. His daughter does it, I guess. Whatever. Here it is. Setback thermostat. Cooling at 70. Oh, we'll try it. Ain't no Taj Mahal. I'm all duck board. Junk. Shit job. I have worked on this burner before. Last year, it looks like.
Son?
Yeah, it's on. You know what? You want me to show you how to do it, or you don't even care? Right now, it's on cooling. See, it's on cooling? It's set for 70. It's 81 in here. But,
Yeah.
you know, do you want it higher than that, or you want to leave it at 70?
70 is good.
70's good. All right, we'll check it outside, make sure it's charged okay. Run for a bit. See that soupy should come down. Look at that, I just hit this thing with a cold hole, so both of them. Two Goodman brown turds and they're not Lakers. Go figure. It's overcharged. See the 5? Gonna take a little out. I'm just connected to the high side. I'm gonna dump a little bit in the tank.
The food I put, I get the food from the store every time.
Alright, so we dump some out. We got our superheat up. Subcooling's still high. We'll give it a good how you know when the hole's all the way around really good.
And he told me this one is gonna die this week, and the other 3 is gonna die too. And I was true. 1 week.
Alright, so that's better.
All 4 died
Oh, what's that? The dogs?
from the scrambled eggs.
The dogs died from the scrambled eggs?
4 dogs, I killed them all.
How come? Bad eggs?
Scrambled eggs.
They don't like the scrambled eggs.
It's not good for the dogs.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
That's what he told me. And he told me they're gonna die, and they did. 1 week.
Scrambled eggs are no good for dogs? I didn't know that. How many were you giving them? A lot?
A dozen a day.
A dozen a day.
For 4 dogs.
And the dogs died.
4 of them.
Wow.
And that one was the last one, the one I'm talking about. You go to the toilet. I cry.
That's
I cry when I bury him.
Yeah, I'm attached to my dogs too.
No
All right,
more
so
eggs for the dogs, anyway.
no more eggs for the dogs.
And my dog is diabetes.
Here we go.
And the little dog.
That's all we want right there.
Don't eat eggs at all, too.
All right, guys. This thing, I gotta get this thing reclaimed. This sucker's heavy. That's it. So she wrote, that one was overcharged. I pulled some Freon out from the high side, dumped it in the tank while it was running. That one's good. Just restrapped the capacitor on there. That breaker was off. I don't know why. But they're both running, so both filters are clean inside. Good to go. This guy a bill.